Let me show you a quick fix how to resolve a problem when your Redmi Buds 6 Play won't connect with your smartphone or iPhone. And to do this, you will need to open the case with your buds inside. Make sure that there's two of them like this. Then find the LED lamp in front of the case and the button on the right side of the case. Now we need to press this button on the right side and keep looking in the front on the LED lamp until it starts flashing rapidly. Then it will change to like 3 longer flashes, just like that. And then it will return to rapid blinking, and it will fix the issue with your Redmi Buds not connecting with your smartphone. Now we can click connect and proceed with the pairing setup. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.